A constant is an identifier for a given value. A constant cannot be changed during the script as a variable can. Also, unlike variables, a constant is automatically global across the entire script. When creating a constant, the name must start with a letter or underscore. A constant does not require a $sign before the name. As shown in this example, a constant can be created using the define function. Inside the function, we start with the constant name, followed by the value. We can also specify whether the constant name should be case insensitive. We'll do that in the second example. In this example, the constant name is set to welcome. The value is the text, "Hello, my name is John Smith." The constant name is case sensitive. We can output the constant by creating an echo statement followed by the constant name, welcome. If we were to set the echo statement to lowercase welcome, the output wouldn't work. First, on the right-hand side, we can see here that the output is correct. It's outputted the value, "Hello, my name is John Smith." But what if we were to change from uppercase to lowercase? Now it does not match our constant name. Well, the case doesn't match. And now we get an error because the case doesn't match. So we'll change it back. In the second example, we've set the case insensitive value to true, shown here. This means when we output our constant, in this case, welcome to, it doesn't matter if we use uppercase or lowercase for the constant name. So you can see that the case here doesn't match in the echo statement. And when we refresh, this time it still works. Constants are global and can be used across the entire script. In this example, we've defined the constant with the name car and set the value to Volvo. We've also created a function, myCar, that outputs the value of constant car using an echo statement. When we run the function, we can see that the browser outputs the value Volvo.